Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your BLACKVIEW Tab 8, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, move for security. Click on the Face Unlock. It's here. Input your currently logged method. Click Next. And as you can see, we have to rotate our device. But let's try to stay with this mode, with the horizontal mode. If it is not going to work, we will put it in the portrait mode, so click Start. Okay, let's keep the face right here. And I think that is not going to work. Okay, never mind. It's all set. So click Done, and right now let's try to open our tablet by using the Face Unlock. So click on the Unlock button on the left side and then do it second time. And as you can see, our face was recognized, and right now we are ready to use our device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.